Hi everyone, Rainy here. I just wanted to take a moment to come on today and to thank you all for supporting my channel, for watching my videos. And the reason I'm thanking you at this moment is YouTube finally accepted this channel so I can be a YouTube partner with them. What does that mean? That means we finally got big enough that they're letting me run paid ads on the thing. As you notice, they've been running ads right along, but until you're a partner, they make all the money from the ads. And now that I'm a partner, I'm going to start seeing a few pennies here and there. I think it's like 1% of 1 penny. I don't know. It's, you know, you do thousands of videos and you might get like enough to buy coffee. So they're finally giving me coffee for building this site. But anyways, whatever it turns out to be, we'll find out someday. And I want to thank you all for watching, for being patient, especially with all the different stalling I've been doing. And I'll let you know what I mean by that. As lots of you know, we need to move out of here. I'm renting this place, and my landlord came up to me after 15 years and said, I want to move into your apartment here out. So we've been looking for houses like crazy. Each week we're going up north because that's about the only place that's affordable around here. So we've been going way up. I call it on top Canada, but up Bangor area, Augusta area, which is like central to central north in the state. It's about a 2-3 hour drive depending on where we're looking. 2-3, sometimes 4-hour drive one way. So every time we go to look at a house, it's like a whole day trip. But it's been fun because I'm looking for a place. What we want to get is mosquito. Want to get a place without mosquitoes, but we want to get a place that's most likely a small ranch. Wow, he's really getting to be annoying. He knows I'm doing a video, huh? We want to get a small ranch with either a 2-car garage or a garage and a barn, or a barn, so a place where I can build boats comfortably instead of being so cramped like this. So once we find a place, and we're hoping that's going to be before it gets cold, okay, we want to get moved over there, get set up, and I can start finishing this boat and start building the new boats that I have in mind. So we get all kinds of plans either ways. I plan on continuing to build boats as a hobby while keeping my full-time business going on the computer. So with that, once again, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for listening to my rambling. Please be patient. I know I'm not down here building right now because right now I'm in the process of sanding and sanding and sanding. And it's been so muggy. I mean, it's been anywhere from 80 to 100 degrees every day, and it's so muggy that I really don't want to sand, because when you start sanding you get all that dusty stuff and it flies all over and it sticks to your skin, and it's too hot to wear a full body suit. So I guess you could say I'm continuing with the program, but I'm waiting for it to cool off a bit. So that's where I'm at. And I hope you're having a great summer wherever you are. And if you're below the equator, you're having a great winter wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.